Hello, welcome to Engineers Mindset. Now let's say we have y equals sine cos x squared plus 3 and we are asked to find dy dx. Alright, so the first thing, as always, I will simply say let u, let u be equal to simply cos x squared plus 3. Alright, so in place of cos x squared plus 3, I'm simply calling it what u. That simply now implies that y itself becomes what sine. In place of this, we're now simply putting what u. So y is equal to sine u. So which means now y is a function of u. So I can only differentiate y with respect to u. Also, u is a function of x. So I can only differentiate u with respect to x. So let's start with y now. Alright, so dy du itself is simply, if I differentiate sine u, I will simply have cos u, okay? So this simply now means that dy du is now equal to, remember that u is equal to cos x squared plus 3, so in place of u, we simply have cos x squared plus 3. So this is dy du, so we'll keep this aside. Or also, from u equal to cos x squared plus 3, I said u now is a function of x, so which means I have to differentiate u with respect to x. Okay, so to do this, we simply say let a be equal to x squared plus 3. So the whole of this function x squared plus 3 should simply be what? A. That means now that u itself is now equal to cos a. So in place of x squared plus 3, we are simply replacing with a. So at this point, it means u is a function of a, and therefore I can only differentiate u with respect to a. It also means here that a is a function of x, and so therefore I can only differentiate a with respect to x. Alright, so I will have from here the a is now equal to simply, if I differentiate cos a, I will simply have minus sine a, okay? Alright, so the a is now equal to minus sine. Now in place of a, recall we said let a be x squared plus 3. So in place of a, we simply have x squared plus 3. This becomes du dA. Also, from a equals x squared plus 3, x squared plus 3, we differentiate a with respect to x. So if I differentiate x squared, I will simply have 2x. If I differentiate 3 is a constant. The gravity for every constant is 0, so that one is off. Now I have the a dx, I have the u dA. I can simply now find what du dx, because from here u is a function of x, and I said you can only differentiate u with respect to x. Okay, so that now implies that from chain rule, we now apply chain rule. Okay, from chain rule of differentiation, du dx is actually equal to du dA times dA dx. Okay, so we simply put in the values for du dA. We have this. Okay. Okay, so du dx is now equal to, alright, so we said du dA simply gave us minus sine x squared plus 3. So we have minus sine x squared plus 3 multiplied dA dx actually gave us 2x. Okay, so du dx itself is now equal to minus 2x sine x squared plus 3. This gives us du dx. So we know du dx and we know the y du, so we can find the y dx using chain rule. Okay, so from chain rule now, the dx itself is simply dy du times du dx. So we have this. So that simply means that dy dx is not equal to dy du simply gave us cos x squared plus 3. So we have cos x squared plus 3 times du dx actually give us minus 2x sine x squared plus 3. Alright, so we can simply say dy dx is now equal to minus 2x sine x squared plus 3 cos x squared plus 3. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that wonderful question on chain rule differentiation. In the next video, I will see you with another amazing question on chain rule. Please do well to like, share your thoughts in the comment section, and of course, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. I'll treat you with more amazing videos. Thank you and stay safe guys. Cheers.